Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Maxima headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and your new H11 headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. This prevents any accidental burns and ensures a safe working environment for you. Let's get started with accessing the headlight assembly. Next, turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you're working on. This gives you much better access to the wheel well. You'll then need to remove two 10mm bolts and several plastic clips that secure the fender liner. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will expose the rear of the headlight assembly, making it accessible for the bulb replacement. Take your time with the clips to avoid breaking them. Now, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the H11 bulb connector. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Connect the new bulb to the electrical connector. Finally, insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely in place. Reattach the electrical connector if you haven't already. Then, carefully push the fender liner back into position and secure it with the two 10mm bolts and all the plastic clips you removed earlier. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly before you hit the road. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.